Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw Sonic as a kind of like suspicious look, okay? It's an expression. And I wanna go over every Sonic expression on different videos and create a playlist of it. There is a Sonic playlist though, go check that out. I'm gonna put it in the top right corner or I'm gonna put it in the description. So let's get started, okay? It's just gonna be the head and expression, okay? He's got this kind of like suspicious look. This is Sonic as suspicious. Curve underneath here for kind of the middle of his eyes, right? He's gonna pull up. Down, curve up over here, down, curve right here for the top of the snout area. Okay, gonna go out for the nose, pull in, circle for a highlight, and I'm gonna fill in the rest. Okay, curve around here underneath the mouth, curve under here, underneath. All right, so far so good. It's just a normal Sonic head so far. Top of the brow on this side, top of the brow on this side, up, down, triangle. Line over here, okay. Line over here for the, obviously the spike, the top of his head. Pulling back. Out again. In. Out. Line over here, okay. All right, let's do the far side ear. Just triangle shape on the far end. Let's go over here to the kind of anger, it's like a frown, but not really, like an angry frown, like. Line over here, line over here. For, you know, we're going into the eyes now, so he's gonna be squinting his eyes, okay? So another line right here, line right here. He's suspicious, okay? Very suspicious. And now we're gonna go over here, see the eyes right there, okay? Gonna go, what's going on here? What's up? And then we're gonna fill that in. I'm gonna put maybe a highlight there and fill in the rest of it. And that's it. That is Suspicious Sonic. You can maybe throw a little line over here up for the back of his head, but that is it. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Hit the subscribe button. Check out the main website. There's a lot more stuff on there. It's easy. sketchingeasy.com. Go check it out right now. There's a beginner drawing lesson on there too. So if you've never drawn anything or you have shaky hands, let's say, when you draw, I go over there and I teach you what you should do if you've like hardly drawn at all. And I teach you from the ground up how to draw everything. So go check that out, that beginner drawing lesson. It's gonna be the link in the description somewhere, or just go to sketchingeasy.com. That's the easiest way, sketchingeasy.com. Go to it right now. Talk to you later.